What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Does Halloween here, back with in today's video. We are going to be setting up those two guys that I did yesterday and Michael Myers. So let's get right into it. So what I'm doing here, our lawn is kind of uneven, so I try to put a little piece of wood under him, then just stake it to the ground for some extra support. So after getting all those 3 guys up, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. We still have Madison Molly to put up. I did put up Sin Scarecrow, but I didn't make a video of him. So Madison, yeah, there's a hand up there. I'm not going to talk about that. And we did put those 2 guys up there. This over here, it says Doctor with her hands in blood. And we got that mom's everything with all these gravestones here. Michael Myers, he's absolutely amazing. I love him. He looks really good, looks real human-like. And the path is going to be really good at night. I'm going to put up a couple strobe lights. Yeah, but there's going to be a piece of caution tape running from here to that garage, so then it's going to curve over here. It's going to be cobweb over here and here. Madison Mall is going to be hanging right up there. We got Sin Scarecrow here. Reach in. We got this little thing that, yeah, I broke it. We got a hand in the mailbox. Yeah, so that's what it looks like for now. Come back on, it's probably going to be, I'll probably make a witch video of me setting up the witch some other time. Yeah, so Mr. Does Halloween is out. Peace.